Hi, Gloria Carell of My Florida Dreams. We are at 424 Coquina Drive in Colony Cove. We are in the kitchen, cute little quaint kitchen. This home has a lot to offer, a little TLC, make it your own. We have the dining room that is behind me here. With the built-in, everything in the home stays in the home. Nice sized living room is off of the dining room after you walk through. Off of the living room, of course, we have our little lanai, which could also serve as another bedroom for guests. Now we'll go down to the guest bathroom. Nice sized guest bedroom. And of course the master bedroom. Into the little foyer type master bath with a nice sized closet and a linen closet as well. If you think you want to make this your home, give me a call, 570-854-6424.